If you ever have a home inspection with us at Call to Inspect, you'll know that we advise you to purchase a moisture alarm. Let me tell you how this little moisture alarm saved my bacon. We had an underground pipe leak right here. This pipe just separated underground. The water came out of the sprinkler system and started filling up this window well, and it got to about right here, and the water found its way over here to this alarm. And this alarm rang, and I heard it upstairs, and it allowed me to run down here and figure out that I had a bad basement leak. And this is something you can buy at Home Depot for less than $10. You're going to want to put it right down here next to your floor drain. That's the lowest point in your basement floor, and so if you ever have a water problem, this is where it needs to be.